Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my 3-week Ayurvedic hair routine using new products that I received. But before we jump into this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so that when I post new videos such as this one, you won't miss them. And make sure to give this video a very huge thumbs up and be sure to watch all the way to the end, guys, because I did compile all 3 weeks into this one video. So each week comprises of a different product or a different method. So I do hope that you guys enjoy this, and let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm starting month 3 with the Henna Strengthening Ayurvedic Hair Regimen. So this is the box here that includes all of the Ayurvedic products. Inside we have the soap bar to wash your hands, gloves, we have the Sukesh Powder, and we have the Ayurvedic Scalp Root Mask. And then we also have the Henna Gloss Bar. How to use. You're going to slowly melt the gloss bar on low heat on stovetop in pot. Do not microwave. Once gloss bar has fully melted, you may use immediately or add other ingredients to customize your gloss. Suggested additions: coconut milk, essential oils, etc. Apply evenly throughout hair, starting from the front and moving towards the back. Wrap your hair and leave it on your hair from 1 to 4 hours as desired. Wash out thoroughly and style as usual. So the ingredients in this henna gloss bar is cocoa butter, shea butter, henna. So for anyone that's sensitive to henna, or for anyone that doesn't want their hair to be tinted slightly red, because this may tint your hair because the henna is in this, just be cautious. There is henna in this. It also has hibiscus. It also has marshmallow root, which is a really good ingredient for slip. It also has lemon juice and odorfin, and I know odorfin is a preservative, so it's not a bad thing. It helps to keep the lifespan of the product. So this gloss bar is good for 12 months. You'll see the little 12-month. Okay, so as I was saying, I did went ahead and I already melted my gloss bar. So I did the double boil method, which was I put the water in the pot, then I put a glass plate on top of the water, and I put the bar in the plate, and I just stirred it until the gloss bar was completely melted. The consistency of this gloss bar kind of and the color as well, kind of reminds me of the Sukesh powder, especially with the dark chocolate color. And this really does smell like a chocolate bar. I just want to show you how the wash your hands bar looks. And then I am going to show you how the henna gloss bar looks. So this is the bar that you see here in the liquid form. That is this. Again, I have two. I use the full one. I use this entire bar to melt down into this bowl here. So in this bowl is this bar, just in the melted form. So my hair is really filthy and really dirty right now. I don't know if you could see the dandruff, but my hair is extremely dirty and extremely dry. Okay, so the instructions doesn't say if you should apply this on dry hair or damp hair. However, I'm gonna apply this on damp hair. I just can't imagine applying this on my dry hair. I'm not gonna do it soaking wet, but I do want to just add a little bit of water to moisturize my hair a bit because my hair is really dry. So I'm taking some of the gloss bar and I'm just applying it. Okay, so the gloss bar is on my entire hair. I just want to point out what I noticed with this is that it's very different from when I use the Ayurvedic mask. So it is a bar, and this is my first time ever using a bar like in its entirety. I've never used a shampoo bar, and I've definitely never used a gloss bar for a pre-poo or for anything, and so it's different. What I like about it is that you definitely do see how glossy your hair becomes once you start to apply the gloss onto your hair. Finger detangling with it is not as easy, but it's also not as hard, so I didn't get to thoroughly finger detangle, but I did finger detangle a little bit. I am going to leave this on for an hour to an hour and a half. Okay guys, so I have rinsed the gloss bar off of my hair, and I just want to say that I don't know why I didn't try this gloss bar earlier, but I'm literally just thankful that I was gifted it, because you look at my hair and I haven't even washed it yet. Like, this is literally me just rinsing the bar off, the gloss bar out, just rinsing it out. Look at my hair, it's so pretty. So I really love it. It rinses out very easily, guys. Like, you know, where you have a hard time with the mask and it takes a while, the gloss bar rinses out really easily. And I just remembered that I do have some of my Hennasooq cleansing co-wash left, so instead of using shampoo, I am going to go in with my co-wash, and then I'm just going to lightly condition and style my hair. So I do want to show you how my hair looks from the back. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I am going to see you in week 2, and I am excited to see how week 2 goes. So see you in the next upload or in the next video, guys. Hey guys, and welcome to week 2 of my hair care bundle that I got from Hennasooq. So this week we're using the Sukesh Ayurveda. We're taking a half of the packet. We're going to add our favorite hair butter and or hair oil and or coconut milk and or conditioner. So we're going to mix this very well, apply this onto wash damped hair strands, and allow this to stay in the hair at least 2 hours. Then we're going to rinse this out with cool water to seal in moisture and help close the cuticles and pores. Then we're going to dry our hair and moisturize and style as usual. I've already went ahead and put my powder in the bowl, my half pack powder, and I've already went ahead and put my oils in it as well, so you can see the oil there. So now I'm just going to be adding some hot water. This is pretty much what my consistency looks like. So it's runny, but it's still kind of thick, you know, which is what I like. I like it to be runny, but I like it to be thick as well. So I didn't condition my hair because the instructions just said to wash, and I also didn't mix this mask with a deep conditioner, which pretty much means that I'm probably gonna have to condition once I rinse this off. Okay guys, so the mask is applied to both sides of my hair. This is pretty much how it looks. So now I'm just going to leave my mask on for 2 hours, and then I'm going to rinse it off. So Okay guys, so I rinsed my hair out. I used regular conditioner. I really didn't go in with a deep conditioner because that wasn't needed, because I washed my hair first and then I used the Sukesh mask. That way the mask actually works like a hair treatment and deep conditioner. So my hair is in pretty good shape. It looks really good. It feels really good. It's very soft. I actually feel like this powder actually clumps and defines your kinks, coils, and curls as well. I know the amla powder says that, but it definitely looks like this one does the same thing. So I do love how my hair feels. Definitely I love how my scalp looks and feels. And so this is pretty much it guys. I'm going to see you in the next and final upload for this video, which is going to be week 3. But let me just give you a quick view of the back of my hair. Hey guys, and welcome to week 3. So this is the final week in this bundle box, and in this week we're going to be using the other half of our Henna Gloss Bar. We're using it as directed in week 1, and then once we've applied the pre-brew treatment, we're going to apply the Ayurvedic Scalp and Root Mask, and we're leaving that in for at least 1 to 2 hours for best results. Then we're going to rinse that out with cool water to seal in moisture and close cuticles and pores. Then we're going to dry, moisturize, and style as usual. So I've already went ahead and prepared my gloss bar. I did it the exact same way I did it in week 1. Okay guys, so I did want to come back on camera just to show you how I'm applying the gloss bar this week, because I'm actually doing it different. Well, the only difference is I'm not using gloves, I'm using my hands, and it really does feel better to apply the mask with my hands than it does using the glove. So now I'm just going to leave this on my hair for about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to rinse this off. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I rinse the gloss bar off. So my hair looks really good. It feels really good. As you can see, my scalp isn't 100% clean, and that's fine. That's because the gloss bar again is only a pre-proof. So I'm going to go in with the mask now, and then that's going to be the one that's actually going to go and give my hair a really good, my hair and scalp a really good cleanse. So this is what my hair looks like after I rinse the mask off. It feels really good, and it looks really good as well. So I did go in with my co-wash from Hennasooq. I went in with my co-wash once I rinsed the mask off, and yeah. So this is pretty much it guys. Thank you for sticking all the way through and watching all the way to the end. If you're seeing this right now, you are definitely a real one. But this concludes the 3-week hair care regimen bundle box that I got from Hennasooq, and this also ends my 3-month Ayurvedic series. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, give it a very huge thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you have turned on the post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.